There's our Cooper hawk. Kind of taking it easy right along the trail here. And listening to the youngsters. She just brought in some food for them. She just keeps a close eye on them. Oh yeah. They're making their little noises over there. Teet 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 teet. And the wee wee. There's one calling, see? Well, there's the fireworks. My goodness. I don't like that. My goodness. 4th of July. Isn't that crazy? Poor animals got to put up with that stuff. There we go. Get a nice profile here. Look at that. She's such a good girl. She's nested here for about 5-6 years now. Every year she puts up that fireworks.